Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you CachyOS honest review. So, CachyOS is an Arc Linux-based distro that's trying to give you that fast, modern Arc, fitting without make you do a ton of tweaking on day one. Now, the pool brand is Performance, an optimized Linux CachyOS kernel. They highlight the Bohr scheduler and repost the rebuild packages with newer CPU instructions like a x86-64 version v3 or v4 or Zen 4 plus to squeeze out extra speed on modern hardware. Now, how it works day to day is basically Arc but friendlier. Now, it's still a rolling release, so you update continuously. It still use the Arc style tooling and packages ecosystem, but Catchy OS adds a bunch of convenient layer here. Now, for example, they document multiple Catchy OS kernel variants, and they even ship a kernel manager, and that lets you install or switch kernels and tweak scheduler related settings without living in the terminal all day. Now, the honest part here is based on what people are seeing. Now, a lot of the positive chatter, especially on Reddit here and CatchyOS community, is basically this save a ton of time. Folks describe it as a plug and play for gaming, just works more often than they expected from the Arc-based distros, and they like that it bundles a lot of the under the hood performance tuning they normally do manually on Arc, vanilla Arc. Now, you also see comments from newcomers saying hardware detection went smooth on their laptops and stability felt solid as a daily driver here. Now, the other side of the story is the usual rolling release reality check here. So, even CatchyOS folks will straight up say it can be beginner friendly for an Arc the derivative here, but it's still the kind of distro where you want to be comfortable learning the occasional troubleshooting if an update misbehaves. And that's also why you'll see Snapper or BTRFS snapshots come up on a lot of community, because the snapshots can make a bad update way less scary when you can roll it back. Now, in terms of is it actually active and improving, well, the public updates make it look pretty alive. There were ISO snapshot notes in the late 2025 talking about installers, accessibility improvements like adding Orca or KDE Plasma updates, and gaming focused tweaks like Proto CatchyOS changes. And on the performance side here, or performance testing side, Photonics here even covered the CatchyOS Server Edition preview, mentioning a Server Edition planned for 2026. So here's a clean takeaway. CatchyOS looks worth using if you want an Arc-based system that feels faster out of the box and you like the idea of performance tuned kernels and optimized packages, especially for gaming and modern CPUs. But if your current distro is already stable and doing everything you need, well, the Reddit vibe is also very don't switch just to switch here, because rolling release life is still rolling release life. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.